And today we're going to be checking out the Talomen Falcon gaming mic. That's right, this is a condenser microphone that you can use for podcasts, gaming, Discord, streaming, just pretty much anything that you would use a microphone for. It has RGB, it has a pop filter, it connects via USB, just everything that you have come to expect from a microphone. So what we're going to do is first, we're going to unbox it so we can see everything that comes inside, and then we're actually going to test it. And then we're going to actually test it out to see how good the sound is. All right, so here it is. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Right on top, you have your manuals and warranty cards and such. First thing that I see is a USB-C to USB cord. It looks to be about 5 foot long, but I'm going to check it real fast. Nope, it's a good 6 foot long cord. I was close, but not perfect. Here we have a shock mount with the rubberized shocks on the inside to reduce bumps and noises being picked up from your desktop. Here's a nice solid steel heavy base. This has quite a bit of weight to it. Here is your pop filter. It is double layered. Here is your stand, a USB-C to USB adapter, a pair of headphones for your monitoring, because you can monitor your sound as well, an adjustment ring, a nice little storage bag made out of vinyl, and the microphone itself. Very nice looking microphone in my opinion, because it does have RGB. Your mute button's on top. You have your gain knob on the front, your monitoring port on the back, and then this is where you connect it via the USB-C right here. And it does say cardioid capacitor microphone right here on the bottom. So I'm really interested to see how this sounds. So we're going to go ahead and set it up real quick. And there you go. We now have it set up and fully assembled. We have the pop filter here on the front. I have the gain knob because you do speak in through the pop filter into the mic. So the gain filter is right here behind the pop filter, so you can just reach around like that to adjust it. Your headphone jack is in the back, and you have an adjustment knob on the side here, so you can loosen this and you can adjust your angle, because you do want your mouth to be speaking directly into this pop filter. And then you can see the adjustment knob goes down here on top of the shaft right here, so you can set the angle side to side of how your microphone sits on the base. And then they also had this adapter in there as well, so if you were adapting this to a mic stand that was already installed somewhere, you can just put this into the microphone and then screw it into the mic stand. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install it onto my computer, and when we come back, we will be speaking through this microphone. Okay, so now we are on the Falcon. I have the headphones plugged in into the back for monitoring. It says 0 latency monitoring, and it means it. I hear no kind of delay whatsoever in my ear from what I'm actually hearing while I'm speaking, which is very, very cool. A lot of them have a slight delay, and that can throw you off so bad and gets so irritating. So since that this has no latency is a very nice feature. How does the microphone sound? We are speaking on this one. I'm going to mute it so you know that I'm actually on this one. And now we're back on. So we are on this Falcon. It looks very nice. It's very well made. I know the price doesn't reflect it, but I feel like the quality of this mic is above the actual price. You can see that I do have the RGB turned on. If you don't like the RGB look, you just hold down the mute button just like this, and you can hear that you can still hear my voice, but there is no RGB. We have successfully turned that off, and if you want to turn it back on, you just hold down the mute button again, and you can see the RGB will turn back on. Very simple setup. If it sounds good, let me know, because I haven't heard this yet, so you're going to be hearing this for the first time as I'm hearing it. How did it sound compared to my other mic that I use all the time? Maybe I'll be switching over to this microphone depending on how it sounds. And I feel like this is a good little microphone to get you started, and it's going to get the job done. If you want to see a quick look at the little spec sheet right here, you can see the specifications if you want to pause it so you can check out all your sensitivity ranges and all the technical jargon for you audiophiles. And yeah, I like it. I think it does a good job. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.